Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be trying Bantu nuts for the first time using my Uncle Funky's Daughter's products using Midnight Train and extra butter. Stay tuned. Again, this is my first time trying Bantu nuts. I did a poll on my Instagram stories, and from the poll, everyone suggested to do medium sections on stretched hair, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I applied Midnight Train leave-in conditioner and then extra butter, taking a medium section, twisting it around tight until it forms a knot. And then I'm just twisting and going around, twisting and going around, twisting and going around until my entire section is twisted and has formed a Bantu knot. Again, this is my first time trying this, so my hands are a little bit awkward in the beginning until I get the hang of it. So I'm not going to do much talking in this video. I'm just going to let you sit back and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried Bantu nuts out, what type of product you like to use when doing your Bantu nuts, if you like to do them on wet or stretched hair, small, medium, or large sections. Let me know in the comments below. So here we are on the last section, and if I must say so myself, I think I did a pretty good job on my first time trying these Bantu knots. Now I can't wait to see the results of the Bantu knot out. Stay tuned. So my hair is all done. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, praying that things work out great. Again, I use Midnight Train and extra butter. And here we are the next day, ready for the takedown. So I'm gonna take my time when unraveling it, just to make sure that I don't disturb the curls. And okay, first one down, second one up, twisting and then unraveling, and so far so good. Let's continue. So again, I think I did a pretty good job with this being my first time. Definitely going to try this again. The definition is definitely there. I think I could have done some of the sections a little bit smaller, but again, this is my first time. Trial and error is the best way to learn. Can we get into this bounce back? Okay. So now that they are all unraveled, I'm just going to go through and stretch out each one of the curls just to give it a little bit of length. The shrinkage is real. So now that I've stretched out the curls, I'm going to go through and separate, and this is where I'm getting a little bit nervous because I'm not sure what to expect, but stay tuned. So my hair is very soft, very moisturized, very fluffy. The extra butter is so bomb. My first time using that product by Uncle Funky's Daughters, but so far I have not been let down yet by any of the Uncle Funky's Daughters products. So here are my final results of my first attempt at a Bantu knot out, and I am not mad at all at these results. There's a little bit of frizz, there's a lot of body, there's a lot of moisture, there is some shine, nice amount of hold using Midnight Train and Extra Butter by Uncle Funky's Daughter. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Also, check the description box for a discount code for these products.